Hi, my name is Carly and I'm growing food in my New Jersey suburban backyard. Come hang out with me in the garden today. Right now I'm hardening off my broccoli and cauliflower and lettuce, getting it ready to actually put out into the garden. And now we need to go take care of some damage. Everything in the garden is good news. Sometimes bad things happen, and asparagus comes up. It's a perennial, so it comes up every year as soon as it gets warm out. Well, it got really warm here, so my asparagus started coming up, and then we got a crazy freeze the other day early in the morning, and I didn't even think about it. So now the asparagus that was really tall and big is mushy. I need to cut it back. And the thing I'm nervous about is that these plants, it's only their second year in the ground, like in the bed. So the freeze and me now having to cut them back could drastically impact their vigor. If they were a little bit older, it wouldn't have been such a big deal. I could just cut them back and it would be no big deal. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to make some cuts. See, it's squishy, bendable, it doesn't snap anymore. It's done. That's really sad. Trying to look to see if there's any other asparagus trying to come. I might leave this one a little bit. Oh, this one is sad. Makes me nervous that they're not going to come back. Definitely not the way that I would have liked to have started my asparagus journey, but it is what it is, I guess. I'll just keep calm and carry on. So when I planted onions, I had extras and I wanted more places to put them. And I have these planters that we made that basically hold posts for our string lights around the above ground pool. And I can never get anything to grow in them. And I thought to myself, onions. So planted them in here. I think these are actually, I think one has shallots, one has yellow onions, one might have blush onions. Let's see the other ones over there. So far everything looks okay. The problem I usually have in there is that squirrels and chipmunks will dig up the area and unearth everything. So far so good. One thing that did make it through the freeze was the green stalk that I did last weekend, because I only put things in here that could do well with a heavy frost, and that was shallots, arugula, and beets. Okay, let's go in the actual garden. I have not planted anything besides onions and then whatever perennial herbs are already in there. Oh, hello, roses. Onions are doing well. Okay, so parsley is coming back. This actually looks really good, which is great. Chives. Pretty good. All right, let's look at the blueberries. I'm in New Jersey, zone about 7A, 7B, depends on kind of who you ask because I'm so close to the ocean. But you'll start to see, these are actually really pretty. All right, let me see if I can get them. And these are future blueberries. The foliage right now is really pretty. It's hard to focus the camera. It's almost like a hot pink. This beast right here, this is sage. It's one of the very first things I planted, and it's lived a nice long life. I keep cutting it back. It looks horrible, but tastes delicious. So, hey Jack. And slowly but surely this oregano is coming back too. These are peonies. Eventually they'll be big, beautiful flowers. And the roses we cut back a lot. So we've got new roses coming up here and on the side. A couple things I have to do today is, I think I'm up potting some items. So just coming in here, giving everything a look. I have these orange hat tomatoes. It's a bush cherry tomato. Super small, but you see they're already getting their extra leaves. So I am gonna move them. They're a bushing type of cherry tomato, and they're gonna go in the green stalk eventually after I pull out probably some of the arugula after we use it. So, and we'll just check on all the other items. Looking pretty good to me.